Trauma is nothing rare. It's estimated that 70% of the US population has experienced some forms of trauma once in their lives. Different people may have different understandings or definitions of trauma. Usually, trauma poses severe physical or psychological threats to the person. Some people may go on to develop the disorder, which we call post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. A lot of trauma has a root in childhood experiences. The adverse childhood experiences, according to Psychology Today, measures associations between childhood trauma, stress, and maltreatment and health and well-being later in life. These scores were found to be highly correlated with a lot of aspects of affecting well-being, like work performance, emotional control, health, and risky behaviors. A higher score is also significantly linked to a person's health later in life, including heart disease, cancer, etc. Trauma experiences can affect everyday functioning, sensation, and cognition as well. However, different people may have different coping reactions to a specific situation. So, when assessing a patient's overall well-being, we cannot just compare it to other people's reaction, as trauma is usually biologically based, as some people are more fragile than others. Right now, coping strategies for trauma are still poorly understood. In order to understand a person as a whole, we need to understand these victims. Otherwise, we may interpret their behaviors wrongly. Post-trauma affects us not only physically, but emotionally and psychologically. More efforts need to be put into educating people about trauma-informed care to avoid re-victimization and to best help the patient. Research has also pointed out that education is the first and most important step in making services more informed. At Makin Wellness, we provide trauma therapy. Trauma therapy can help you learn to cope with your emotions, work through your struggles, and start to find the meaning of life again. We have providers who are experienced in trauma therapy that can help you learn healthy coping mechanisms. It also can help you understand your emotions and why you are feeling them. This understanding can help you accept your emotions and work through them in a healthy way. So if you feel that someone you know would benefit from trauma therapy at Makin Wellness, call us at 833-274-HEAL or visit our website, makinwellness.com, to get started with one of our providers today. That is all we will be discussing today.